Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on scan. Next thing you need to do is to click on album. Select the QR code payment. Go ahead and click on done. Go ahead and enter the amount you want to send to China. Then click on pay. Go ahead and enter your payment password to complete your payment. Payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot proof of payment. Then having screenshot the proof of payment, I'll go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for their supplier in China. So here we go. So I'll click on my WhatsApp right here, gallery, select the proof of payment and say payment done. And send the proof of payment. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to send payment to China, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to follow your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alipay, and AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.